And yeah, that's my new intro apparently, because I can't do any better than that. So um let's see if we can give a shout out to anyone. I think pumpkin pie, shout out to pumpkin pie. And I'm doing one with my eyes closed. Cool day. So cough cough. Hello, newcomer. If you play Roblox, I think you guys should play this free admin game. It's really fun. Oh yeah, new jammer. So, oh, I thought I froze again. Blueberry leaves didn't quit Animal Jam. She logs on. She or he logs on every day. Oof. What is this? Doggy. No wolfie. Yes, I done now. Yeah, I fixed that. Apparently there's my, okay, let me just move this. See right there, it says night. But okay. That good crispy audio that one time. I'm having a sale. You're done? Oh my god. Did you know wolves in this game, the non-member wolves meant to be rude, they actually made them have butts. I never noticed it, but then I did. She's beta? Wow. Why is my mouse? Why can't people make me good art? Like, please. Like, I want a good. Why did I freeze like that? Oh yeah, I have diamonds. I can buy a pet like that. Ooh, I have like wolf pets, but I want like a cute pet. See, like this one. See how I made her cute? And I named her Fire Girl. Bitty bum bitty. Do I want this one, this one, this one? I don't know if I want this one or this one or this one. I always wanted a pet panda. Oh, should I get that one or that one? Should I get a pet hippo? Nope. Psyche, so I'm buying this. Oh. No, I don't know. Okay, guys, if you watch my videos, please comment down below what pet I should get, because I don't know. Do I want to get the pet? I know. Wait, scratch that. I'm getting a pet hippo. Or should I? I don't know. The pet turkeys are so fat. Wow. Guess I'll get this pet. Is this thing blushing? No, thank you. See, one's like gray on them. It's like, wow. I like this one. Looks like dogs here. Fluffy Peach. Shimmer Peach. No, Plum. Yes. Yes, Queen. Yes, Queen. No. Uh. I just want to dress my pet up. Okay, yeah, I thought it said I had diamonds. I only had 3 diamonds. Why did this zoom in? Ah, I only have it at that one. Ooh, I think that one. No. Those bodies look the same, kind of, and it's like, wow, Nina. Nina's a boy? I always thought she was a girl. Surprise, surprise. What is wrong with this mouse? Is she Nina Duberry? I forget that I had this. I'll be right back.